Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front reading lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.